Is mic working now? I hope it is. Ah, what kind of amazing music we want to listen to? There we go. Oh, this is too slow. This is too slow. Lo-fi evening jazz. What's up, this entrepreneur? How you doing, man? XRP legend. Short it like it's 2021. Yo, Vishal, how you doing, man? From Central African Republic, Capital Bangui. Hi, man, how you doing? Ron Adopter is in the chat. Long time no see, man. $1 million. Wow, yeah, 1 million. Eventually. See you in the evening. How you doing? Are you all millionaires? I don't know. We're gonna short right now. I don't know. Bitcoin looks like it's getting this, double top up here. It looks like it wants to pull back. So, we gotta find something. I don't know if there is gonna be a trade tonight or not, but we are on the, we have 3,297 bucks on the 400 to a million challenge. So, we're not all the way down. We also need to update the stats, but, I'm gonna do it at another time. I'm not gonna do that now, but, Hope everybody is doing well. Ron is the legend. Yeah, Ron is the legend. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening with the charts. Let's see if we can find something to short. Shiba went 6.2 up. No, like there is no divergence up here on top. Like I'm thinking, we can short some kind of divergence up here. Sorry about the lines, there is no divergence up here. Sand got nothing up here. Cinnamon actually looks quite good. Ape got divergence up here at the tops, but I'm a little bit unsure. But I'm thinking, it can definitely fall back to something like 20 moving average up here, something like this up here, down here. I mean, that's a big move towards downside over here, like 7-8% down, which is quite 80% down with 10x. So, I'm looking at these stops up here. It didn't hit these stops up here, so maybe it's gonna go again up here. If it gets up here, above these levels over here, we might short it on the downside, right? So we're gonna see that. So we're gonna put some kind of line up here. We're gonna say if it goes up above this line over here, we're gonna create a beep beep sound, and that's gonna be it. Hello Nami, how you doing? What's up? What's up? And we're gonna chill the stream a little bit. Yeah, let's chill the stream a little bit. What just happened? I think it's fine. What just happened? It's fine. There we go. And why is the thumbnail wrong? Is the thumbnail wrong, guys? Is the thumbnail saying $1 million challenge or something like that? Let's see up here. No, thumbnail's right. Everything seems right. Let me see up here. Is everything like? It is 400 million challenge. It's just when I use the link, it's a little bit different for some reason. It is 400 million challenge. It doesn't matter. It's all good. Mladen is in chat. Edward, too good. Good evening, gentlemen. Snood, how you doing? Nice to see you all. Poker face. So we're gonna keep following Ape. We're gonna keep following Ape. KDI. I was thinking. I was actually shorting KDI yesterday or something like that. Maybe the day before that. I shorted Ape. I don't know where I shorted Ape. Somewhere up here. But I actually wanted to short Ape above this line up here. I actually want to short Ape up here at these two lines, these two levels. Unfortunately, I did it too soon, and it went up here. So there's that. So KDA. Let's put this up here. Shiba up here is actually looking too good. No, Shiba, yeah, Shiba looks too good, so we're not gonna touch Shiba today. But Ape, we are tracking up a little bit. If it goes up a little bit more again with one of these weeks, you know, that might be it. You know, and everything, all of this shorting, you know, ideas comes from this double top up here. I mean, it looks stupidly bullish because, you know, it is breaking these trends up here. But bigger time frames got this big divergence up here. But you know, so some kind of pullback up here. You know, how much pullback can you get? Like 1%. You know, best case scenario 2% on a short pullback. I'm Shiba Maxi lol. 400 to a trillion is more like it. Yeah, first we go to million, then trillion. You know, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. I'm not a good trader. I'm in love with the shorting Sol with a lot of emotion in it. Not good. By the way, Sol guys, Sol actually performed very well from the bottom up here. You remember there was a lot of FUD on Solana, right? And then, you know, Vitalik comes out with one tweet and, you know, suddenly Solana is, you know, super good. Big moves up here, Solana, you know, managed to do nice up here. Even this move up here is like, you know, 30-40% move. Insane moves, but I don't like it, you know, when it comes to shorting, I don't like over here, it has some kind of, you know, some kind of trend line over here. Up here, it looks like it's some kind of channel. I mean, if it is some kind of channel over here, it might actually, you know, just do this up here and then drop down. And then, you know, get support and then go up here again. It looks like it's channeling towards the upside up here. Very nice, you know, 1 touch, 2 touch, maybe, you know, 3 touch, stuff like that. If it goes down here, we might actually, you know, short long it up here. So we're gonna put Solana on tracking up here. We're gonna put it in tracking up here. I don't know if you can see this, but you know, we put up here in tracking. So we're gonna track Solana for a little while up here. We're tracking Altcoin and Solana up here. So let's see what more do we have. Cardano up here at the top, 4 hourly time frame. It gets this big move towards the upside now. Cardano is hitting the top up here. There is a channel. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a channel. This is a channel over here. Let's go to the daily time frame. This is a channel, and this channel is hitting, you know, it's hitting this top up here with a, you know, almost parabolic move up. So I'm thinking this can actually pull back, but I would like it to do you know, another move up here. So we're gonna put a line up here and say if it goes above this line and then it got some kind of divergence. So we're gonna set some kind of alarm clock up here and say if it goes above that line, we're gonna look for the divergence on the chart, on the RSI, and then we're gonna short it. Let's make out the 4 hourly. It looks like it, but it's you know, it stands smack. The smack goes a lot faster. This is kind of slow move down, but yeah, it looks like extend smack, hug. But you know, you've seen what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin did extend smack, hug, fake out, dump. You know, if you go to the Bitcoin chart. On the weekly time frame up here, monthly time frame actually. Bitcoin did extend smack, hug, fake out, dump. You know, this is the, you know, the first variation is just extend smack, you know, hug, dump. But this is the secondary variation up here. Extend smack, hug, fake out, dump. If you turn this around, this looks like, you know, shoe pattern up here. With some kind of, you know, double move up here. This looks bad. I don't want to look at the chart like this, so man. Extend smack, go up here, then go up. No. We're not gonna allow that. We're not gonna allow that. Let's see up here. But yeah, but Cardano up here. Where not Cardano? Where's Cardano? Cardano. Where is my Cardano? I don't know. There's Cardano over here. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. It looks like some kind of, you know, some kind of channel. So if it does go up here, and it does look like it might do that. So if it goes above this line, we're gonna look for some kind of divergence. Eagled. Eagled. I promise eat NFTs, Shiba, Link, Bitcoin, not all in, but give up being patient. Well, ETH is good, NFT is good, Shiba good, Link, Bitcoin good. We'll buy more if we dip further. German as well, the central banks. No more Bitcoin daily. Always watch. It happens. Something had to give. Eagle, let me just check Eagle for quick up here. that there is nothing up here daily time frame. It did pull back. This actually looks like more like a long move than actually a short move up here. And this slow move up here might actually have, you know, 3-4% up here towards the upside. Let's see on the small time frames. Do you see anything up here? There is resistance up here, and then there you got some kind of support over here. But if you want to go long, we're gonna go long down here. But you know, right over here it's a short. But this look like it might actually do another move towards the upside. So, nah, we're gonna give it a break. But we're gonna put Cardano in tracking up here. So we are tracking right now. Ape, we are looking for a move towards the upside. We are looking for Solana, move towards the upside or downside. If it hits Solana, it hits the stop up here again, we're gonna short it up here. But if it's why is this moving so, you know, doesn't matter. Solana needs a little bit more time. Solana needs more time, but you know, we're gonna see. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame up here. And Solana, if it gets up here again, we might actually, you know, again do the short up here, but or long down here. So long down here, short down here. It's good. Hello, Splitting. What do you mean by divergence, please? Could you show an example? Yeah. So divergence is this over here. You can see here that the price, you know, creates higher high, and the RSI is not creating a higher high. So it's diverging. It's doing something, you know, that's, you know, the indicator is not doing. So we call that divergence. These things often, you know, best crypto YouTube channel. Nice. Okay, let's move on. By the way, is the music too loud? I'm sorry about no sound today on the daily on the Bitcoin video, but I kind of hit my microphone and the sound went off. I could not redo the video. I had to go do stuff. But you know, there is that. VeChain, I just saw VeChain also had you know, divergence up here at the top. It actually doesn't have divergence at the top. It could it was up here, but you know, right now it doesn't. So no confirmation of divergence up here. Daily time frame. Let's see. Check out the XRP. XRP, man. XRP was such a scam. You remember? You remember the trading in the chat? I mean, this was such a scam week down here, man. This got me out. I mean, I had my. No, this is the scam. Where is the scam week? This is the 4-hourly. Let's go 1-hourly. I think this was the scam week. This over here was the scam. Nah, it was before it broke out. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember where I bought and sold, but you know, doesn't matter. One of these weeks, it was either this one or this one. I don't remember. No, it must have been this one up here, because I was doing this up here and then, you know, I got scammed. Nah, it could not be this one. I don't remember. Might buy XRP for the memories. Should have bought VeChain. 76.01 next for Bitcoin. Might be. But let's check out Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin 173 right now. 4-hourly. These divergences don't have to play out, guys. These divergences don't have to play out. You can see up here, Bitcoin. It's just, you know, a little bit, you know, before there is no divergence. It just needs to pump a little bit and there is no divergence. So we could also look for something that pumps, or that's about to pump. So any kind of coin that didn't do, you know, big moves. ETH up here. I've seen this a lot, like this a lot, you know, and here volatility is kicking in up here. Where are we gonna draw the line up here? Something like this over here. Can it come down a little bit more, do you think? There's a lot of wicks on the downside, so a little bit unsure what to think about that. Maybe this one over here, for some reason, and this one. I don't know. Let's see daily time frame up here. Maybe we can draw a better line on the daily up here. Yeah, it looks like something like this up here. So maybe if we get some kind of touchdown here, maybe this is a long position over here. But I don't know, do we have ETH on the ETH? Yeah, there is ETH up here, so we can actually, you know, long and short this as well. 3 4 15 up here, 3 4. Yeah, we can actually do this as well. So we're gonna keep tracking ETV as well, and we're gonna say if it comes down to below, you know, to these levels down here again for whatever reason, right? And we're gonna do this line. We're gonna add you know, create ETV. If it goes down below down there, we might actually long it, right? If it goes into this area over here, I think that might be some kind of long. We're gonna zoom in a little bit more once if that happens. So there's that. SFP failed on Bitcoin. What's SFP? Short put 0. Link checkout. Matic looks nice. Matic for what? Long or short? Let's check out Matic. Matic is you know, it's doing this. You see these guys? Oftentimes you have a big candle, and then you have this, you know, shooting star or gravestone doji or whatever at the top. Oftentimes this is some kind of indication for a reversal. But when you don't get reversal and you get another move towards upside, these three candles up here, you know, full candle, some kind of doji, some kind of, you know, bearish candle in the middle, and invalidating that candle with the next candle, this is actually quite bullish. But we are, you know, if I was to go long up here on Matic, I will go long on the 10 moving average up here. When is the close? We just had the 4-hourly close up here. Let's say if Matic does pull back to the 20 moving average, anywhere close to 20 moving average, we might long it. So we're gonna put some kind of you know, up here, great, and we're gonna put this towards upside up here. I say Matic, check out Matic just in case. Up here, it looks nice. It's breaking a little bit up here. Resistance up here towards upside. Let's see major resistance level for Matic. Matic, I mean, let's go to weekly time frame. Let's clean up everything. Yeah, up there. I mean, it can go a lot, you know, a lot more, like on the weekly time frame, like over here. What kind of gains do we see? 4.7, 7.7, 13, all the way up there. These are the major levels, right? These are the major levels. Let's go 2-day time frame up here. 50 moving average up here. Daily time frame. Let's get a pull back. Let me get my lens back a little bit up here. Daily. 2-day time frame, daily time frame, 4-hourly, 1-hourly. 1-hourly time frame is, you know, this is support, but it might actually go down here. So let's say if it goes below this line, we're gonna add just below that. If it goes down there below these lines, inside up here, 83, 84, something like that. Swing failure pattern. Which one? Bitcoin to 18K and more. Resistance broken and more trading flare. Okay, so let's just look a little bit more up here. Chile is up 6% right now. This kind of doesn't look too goodish. I mean, I don't want to short in a strong trend. You know, I don't want to do that. But you know, let's draw the channel up here. So it looks like it wants to go up here somewhere, and then, you know, do another move up here towards upside. Don't touch chilies. Okay, man, let's move on. Phantom is a God-given pumper. Do we have any kind of nah, there is no divergence up here on the weekly time frame, the 2-day time frame up here. I don't see anything too far apart. Daily. Let's see 3-day, just for reasons. There is still a little bit divergence on the 3-day time frame up here. Right. But if it pumps more than that, like, you know, it's gonna invalidate everything, of course. It's above 50 moving. It does look strong. It's on 3-day time frame, 2-day, 1 day. Let's assume it's somewhere, something like this over here. Let's assume this is a channel. Let's assume it goes. What do I assuming? Give or take, something like this up here maybe. Maybe something like this, give or take. I think it's gonna go down to the 20 moving average. Down here. Let's pull a line up here. See if it goes back below 10 moving average, something like that. We're gonna follow it below 10 moving average. Okay, Phantom, just in case. Just in case. Could be breaking 750. Bitcoin is 740. I mean, it looks bullish though. It looks bullish though. I think Bitcoin will go all the way up to something 18.7 or something like that, based on this channel, whatever this channel is. But you know, based on this channel, it could go all the way up to, you know, 17.8, 79, give or take. It's just breaking everything is too strong. And this diverse is going to be invalidated, I think. Dogecoin also interesting. Dogecoin, yeah, it looks like it's, you know, it went up there. Right now it's, you know, it did this, you know, move up here. But right now everything is strongly bullish, and this looks more like, you know, curvature up here. Maybe it's already broken out. Oh, this is a nice line. Yeah, it does look like this. This might be the case. Let's go a little bit, you know, extrapolate a little bit, see what we can get out of this. Just slightly, you know, moving up here. It might be some kind of channel. Something like this maybe. So, you know, down here is a long position on this, right? I mean, it did touch, you know, a bunch of times up here already, so, you know, why should it go down here again? So it might just pull back and do something like this and break towards upside. Just me flying too. Let's see some, you know, good coins. And for guys that don't know, we gotta look for a new date, guys. We gotta look for new date, because 22nd, you know, 22nd played out, so we gotta look for new date. We gotta look for new, you know, pattern. What's that going? Mercury and Venus opposition, Mercury and Mars, read some more. Maybe something like this, maybe around September or something like this. I don't know. That wasn't what we are gonna look at. We are gonna look at crypto bubbles. Daily chart. Filler down 50%, Hex down 15%. What's up with Filler? Floor Corporation. What is this? What is Flare? Flare. Is that why people are talking about Flare? Wow, it's big time down. Is this something new? Bit true. Hourly. Daily. No, it's... What happened to these guys? What happened to the Flare? Flare down 200%. You cannot go down 200%, man. What happened to Flare, guys? What happened to Flare? 93% in 2 days. Airdrop for XRP holders. Wow. Just wrecked the chart. Shame, shame, shame. So Flare, Ape is up 7.5, Chili's, APT. What's APT? And why is up APT? What's APT and why is up so much? It's long time ago since we did the channel. It broke out the channel, right now went sideways. It pumped big time out here. 50% already. And it's getting either ready for a new pump or it's getting ready for a pullback and then pump, which can actually quite come because a lot of people is buying the pumps. Might be some kind of up here, break that down, go a little bit down up here, come up here, and then continue towards upside. Everything is bullish, so we gotta assume the trend is towards upside. Let's go and check a little bit how these are actually performing. 4 hourly up here, 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hourly time frame. It's still just holding, it's not moving. Solana is not moving either over here. Cardano did a little bit. No, that's nothing. It's nothing. Still too early. We are not getting that any kind of decent moves up here. So this the probability right now is big for that there will be no trade. But maybe just we're gonna find something. Maybe you're gonna find something. Maybe we're gonna find something. KDA, I'm not really interested in KDA, but it's performing badly. So if anything is shortable, it might be KDA. It also had this, move back to the 20 moving average up here. How much is that over here? 0.31%. It's nothing. Everything is very, very stable. Let's see. Can we find out up here what's most volatile right now? 5 minutes, last 5 minutes. HT went up in the last 5 minutes. HT. Huobi token. I cannot trade Huobi token on Bybit. Can I Bybit? Bitfinex. HT USDT Bybit. No, I cannot trade it. It doesn't matter. We can check it out though. HT USDT. Huobi token. Yeah, it did a nice pump up here. If you look 5 minute chart up here, it did a nice pump. Good to see a free airdrop of Flare holding XRP from way back, and now they just wanted to sell it whilst it still has value. Hence the drop in price for Flare. Wow, 93% drop. Wow. Yeah, airdrops are never good. Thank you, XRP in December 2020 gives you only 50 USD worth of Flare. Okay. Let's see if there's something more up here. Gert, the graph. Wow, it's it's long time since I actually looked at the graph. It looks like it's something like this over here. But I already touched the bottom, so we are not getting anything on the bottom or the top. Everything is in the middle right now, somewhere. Isn't the graph supposed to be, isn't the graph supposed to be, the next Google? They told me the graph is supposed to be the next Google. The graph is supposed to be the next Google. Why it's not this next Google? I don't know. 97% down. It looks good. It looks good for continuation, but not for trading. It looks good for getting in and holding for 2 weeks maybe. But we like green candles. Chili's has red candles. Chili's has a red candle. I'm sorry, but Chili's has a red candle, and we like red candles right now. If you want to go long, which we should. Future of friends. I don't get it. The graph is future of friends. I don't know. I think you have some kind of a storage solution for blockchain. Yeah, I heard it's something next Google, but how that is gonna. TA doesn't work.
Crap! One of my parents told me that technical analysis doesn't work. It's a bunch of TA hocus pocus bullshit. I kind of agree with a lot of that. Here is the main thing that I'm to argue with someone about something that you know has worked because you've experienced it firsthand.
Okay. So the title is a little bit clickbaity. So there is that. And VeChain also. If VeChain pumps too much, do we have any kind of channel on VeChain or anything like that, or any kind of pattern up here? Because the pullback might actually come on some of these coins, but right now it does not look like that though. Still has more room towards the upside. Let's see today. Actually, too many candles, too many lines. Somewhere up here, give or take. Let's go even more up. 2 weeks. Now this is easier to see. Oh, this is so hard. Yeah, this is nice. 20 moving average up here. 20, something like that. 20. That is 12% up there. 50 moving average, very important line. It's just gonna go into a straight move towards the upside. I mean, slowly just climbing up. You can show everything right now. Many coins dropping. I don't see that many coins dropping. Bitcoin is pulling down a little bit, you know, and that's fine. And we want also the pullback on some of these coins. Like if it goes up, you know, it might be short. If it goes down, it might be long ball. But you know, depends on what's gonna happen first. Move down or move up. If it goes up here, it might be short ball. But if it goes down here, it might be, you know, long ball. So that is not doing anything. And my NFTs here, any alpha. Have you seen my NFTs, man? Where is buy my NFT? Like, where is my buy my NFTs? Moon. I don't think I have it over here. Motor balance, motor break. What's yeah, it's not. TL NFT, yeah. Buy my NFT, guys. Buy my NFTs. So yeah, a lot of these, you know, small coins. Right now, a lot of these coins are not doing anything at all. Let's see over the chart a little bit. Like, how would we say this over here? Wow, this looks like you know. Was that near? This might pull down, but we're not gonna bet on you know, breaking the support on the support. Just not gonna do that. We can bet on a long if it comes down here. How has it performed lately? It's about 50 moving average, so it does look actually a lot bullish, a lot more bullish on the daily time frame. It's kind of just waiting. I think near might actually be a nice move. I really like this, you know, once it gets above the moving average and then, you know, zigzag above the moving average while it's waiting, and then, you know, move towards the upside. Well, what kind of move towards the upside do we expect if this actually happens? It doesn't have actually much. I mean, the first resistance already got hit up here. Let's go to monthly, since this is, you know, way back, and the weekly time frames up here somewhere. At least, you know, is short term up here, and then I got these up here somewhere, give or take. What are we looking at right now? This is only like 5%. This is like 29. I don't think it's gonna go up there that high, but where is the pullback? 20 moving average of 50. What you guys think? 50 or 20? Look in the group TLA. SFP failed. What's SFP? Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice expanding musical instrument. Yeah, it's very nice. But let's assume that's the case. Let's assume that's the case. Let's assume that's the case. That's just this part over here, right? Yeah. You can also say that it's, you know, expanding musical instrument in a rising wedge, right? So it might be shortable, right? But how much short could we get up here, right? Could we go down here? It doesn't have to, I mean, it's very broad. Are we seeing the same thing? 2023, yeah, 2023, yeah, that's the same thing. 4 hourly Binance, yeah. It's the same chart. These triangles, are they bullish or bearish? So it breaks down up here. I mean, it still has the divergence up here at the top, although it's quite, you know, small. It is hitting the resistance. Now we need to wait. Solana up here. Yeah, the moves are very slow, you know, slow. I was actually looking at charts earlier today, and I was like thinking, wow, everything looks, you know, good for long, and everything was, you know, nice longs, but then it kind of died out. Let's take a quick 5-minute break, guys. I'll show me with a nice profit. But I'm a little bit skeptical about. I mean, short term, you know, 1 hourly, 4 hourly, whatever. But over here on the daily time frame, Bitcoin looks like it wants to go to 17.8, right? So the thing is, when you are bullish, you will be breaking these, just like when you are bearish, right? You have some kind of bearish line, bearish support line, and when you are bearish, you are breaking the, you know, you are breaking the supports all the time, right? And the same thing goes when you are bullish and when you are in a bull trend, right? You have this, you know, resistance, but you're kind of breaking the resistance all the time. So every time you think that, you know, it's gonna pull back because, you know, we've been bearish for you know, 2 years or whatever, right? It's gonna pull back, it's gonna get rejected. It just doesn't get rejected, it just does this over here, right? So there is that. So yeah, it is hitting the resistance with the divergence, but you know, the divergence is kind of, you know, close. Why don't you use fib levels for retracement? No, we are not fan of fibs over here. We don't like that. We don't like that. We don't appreciate fibs. We have thing against fibs. Okay, let's take 5-minute break, guys. I don't have I'm gonna shill Qcoin today. We're gonna shill Qcoin. Guys, don't have money on the Qcoin. It might, you know, be next FTX. Don't sue me. But it's gonna be a 5-minute break. it's so close to breakout, that means it's gonna dump. FET is, I think, about short. FET USDT. Okay, let's check out FET. Yeah, might be. It's extended a little bit. Let's check the extensions. Nah, not that extended. It's kind of slowly falling, but stand from the other moving average. There is this line up here. I don't know what that is. Check it out. Monthly. Nah, no lines. Let's check out lines. That can actually go all the way up from the weekly to this monthly time frame. Major resistance level. And weekly time frame. Major resistance levels. Down here, it's already hitting a 200 moving average. It's got 200 moving average right above it. It's gonna go for 200 moving average, you think? Let's check out daily. Do you have any kind of line up here? It broke towards upside. It might be close. Let's check the volume up here. Big move. Now just climbing. I think it might go all the way up to 21, something like that. 21. This is 200 moving average on the weekly time frame, right? Yeah. Let's put FET up here. Let's add FET to the tracking lines up here. Tracking. Let's track FET as well. But we're gonna say it's not 200 when it gets close, someplace up here. And we're gonna just put you know, alarm up there. It's already hitting this resistance over here, but it's kind of slowly just, you know, building up there. Maybe it's gonna go all the way up there as well. I don't think it's short just yet. Do we have the divergence? I think there might be divergence up here. Yeah, there is divergence up here at the top on 15-minute chart. And it is going up here with losing volume as well. But it's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. This actually looks very nice. Triangle up here at the top. So it might go up all the way up to the 200 moving average up here. Some of this fat stuff. Some of this fat stuff. Dobro veče, dobro veče. Time to load Dogecoin XRP, the sleepy beauties. Dogecoin XRP. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is very nice. This is very nice for a short. It's getting this doji up here. This morning doji star up here, creating up here. So it might, we might short this, you know, towards downside up here. 17%, something like that. Hey, länge sedan Skywalk, how you doing, man? We're gonna see 5 minutes left on the 1 hourly. Let's check out some other coins on the 1 hourly up here. This looks too good. This looks like he's bouncing up here. Might have a small pullback. Like if Cardano has a pullback back to these lines up here again, it might be, you know, a move. So this one up here. Phantom as well. Insta morning doji is an evening star doji. No, there is difference. Where is it on an ape? So there is difference between morning and doji star up here. Morning, evening, doji star. Yeah, Google is gonna fix my stuff. Morning doji star and sorry. Let's morning doji and evening. Yeah, it's evening doji star. It's not morning doji star. Evening doji star. Evening doji star at top. But it's a reversal. It's a reversal candlestick pattern. It's a reversal candlestick pattern. So you know it might be very nice. Do you have any kind of? And the volume up here is, you know, lackluster. There is the words right now. But I'm not very confident about it. FET did actually 24% move. Is the words up there at the top? I think it might do a third move towards the upside. This 1, 2, and third move up here. So I think FET, if you're gonna short FET, it's gonna be up here. Do we have FET on Bybit though? Let's check out. First we need not fini. Do we have FET on Bybit? We don't have FET on Bybit. Like, what am I gonna do with FET, man? I cannot do with FET anything. It's not on Bybit. I cannot trade FET, so you know, sorry FET, but you gotta go back home. You gotta go back home, man. So down here. Unfortunately, we can short FET. Yeah, both are reversal. Yeah, it's both are reversal. But one happens at the top, other one happens at the bottom, you know, and so. Let's check out some other coins. XRP pumping. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, 5 minutes time frame is pumping. Just clean the lines up here a little bit. And something needs to happen because this is you know, up here. It's already happening up here. It's going up here, but it might have this pullback up here, right? And then towards the upside. Then we got a, you know, 4 hourly 200 moving average up here. So many bottoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here. If this isn't the bottom for XRP, I don't know, man. Look how nice. Okay, this wasn't that nice hit, but you know, it's very close. But 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Needs to get above a 20 moving average up here, and then it's gonna pump. It's close. See on the daily time frame. It already had this wick on the downside, so I don't think it needs to do the down wick again. It can, but it doesn't have to do that. Zilliqa. Zilliqa has this smack, hug, dump pattern going on. But Zilliqa is ready to, you know, to be long though. $50 moving average. How much downside is there? 1.6%. This is quite a heavy move. 200 moving average. Are we gonna long Zilliqa? Zilliqa did, you know, pump like crazy. Let's see some major levels on Zilliqa up here. Flamingo looks ready, but I don't have Flamingo on Bybit, man. I don't have Flamingo on Bybit. I think I don't have FLM. FET is not on Bybit, but Flamingo is on Bybit. How is this possible? I never heard about this. Flamingo is on Bybit. Okay, let's check out Flamingo. Flamingo. What kind of coin is this? Yeah. We are gonna go long Flamingo. It's gonna be somewhere on the bottom though, right? Somewhere down here, but it's not, it's up there. So you know, if Flamingo comes down here, you know, something like this down there, you know, we might take it. Okay, let's say Flamingo. FLM, USDT, Bybit. Let's say this one. Flamingo. I must know how high. Oh my god, my heart hurts. I'm having a small pain. Jack Spitz is back in the chat, guys. We are definitely in euphoria phase of the bull market. Once Jack Spitz comes back, we are in the euphoria phase. So just so you know that. How you doing, man? Long time no see. What's up? How's the hospital treating you? Jasmine popping off. Everybody's talking about Jasmine. Let's check out Jasmine. I don't know if we had. I don't want to check stuff that it's not on Bybit. So Jasmine is on Bybit. We can check Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine Bybit. Jasmine. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, it popped off already. Big time. It's already pulling back like crazy. This is too volatile. I don't like I don't like this. I don't wanna reverse it. I told Mladen and people in chat, I don't like. The thing that I figure about myself is I don't like doing these moves. I don't like doing these moves. These big moves, catching the top and reversal. I like this. I like this over here. Figure out some kind of boring phase. Figure out where the bottom is. Buy on the bottom and go with that. But once it pops, looking for this reversal, because although you might figure out that there is some kind of resistance up here and it might be nice for sure, but it can just do this up here. It can just get you out and then go down. It can take time. But this over here is like 2.36% move towards downside. Let's see what's happening with these coins up here. Not much. Solana up here. Solana did move up a little bit in less than 15 minutes, something like that. 1.7% actually. Nah. I would like some kind of pullbacks, guys. I would like, it's bullish. We should actually long. Looking for a 0.046 target on Jasmine. Jasmine Bybit. 0.046. Wow, 46. What's up at 46, man? Let's figure out what's at 46. Literally nothing over here on the daily, weekly time frame. Nothing up there either. Daily time frame. Yeah, daily top up here. Might be that. I would look at 44. Exactly 44. 2 levels, 3 levels actually. 44, 200 moving average, and this top up here, 41. I'll look at these 2 levels first, 41, 44, and then 51 up here. And this also might be some kind of channel over here. See it? No, it's not this one. It goes from down here somewhere. Yeah, this looks more like it. How is this gonna play out? Do not short now. I'm not really, although I did say that if it pops right now it might be shortable, but there we go. We got almost a doji up here, almost a doji. It's not a perfect doji. It's not actually a doji at all, but it's some kind of top candle up here on 1 hourly. So it is pulling back already up here. Not much, but there is that. Let's see 5-minute chart up here. If we reverse this, would this be just eyeballing this right now? This 5-minute chart. Might be inside some kind of consolidation pattern up here. This popped and dumped big time fast. This looks like some kind of distribution phase on Cardano up here. This is 5-minute chart, so doesn't mean that much. Maybe short Cardano up here at the top. What kind of moves do we look at? 1, 2, 3%. Do we have a 4-hourly close? No, we got a 1-hourly close. So right now we're getting this move back down here, right? Because the trend up here got broken. Then we got a secondary trend over here right now. Then we got a support up here somewhere. It might be a channel. So yeah, so this down move up here got broken towards upside. So we are trending up here towards upside. So if it does move back down here into these lines over here, it might be actually a long position. So let's assume that it's, you know, it's gonna go down. So let's say if it goes down there, and then we're gonna try to start tracking it as well. Yeah, what's up with Gala? Long time since I checked Gala up here. Gala 5.49%. It did like crazy pumps the last couple of days. Yeah. It did like same pumps, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days it's been pumping up here. 182%. There will be people taking profits up there at the top. But looks good. It looks good though. It definitely broke any kind of trend up here. So monthly time frame. Monthly might be interesting, but we got a 50, we got this bottom down here, we got this stop up here, we got this stop up here as well, which might be acting as a, you know, short-term resistance levels. Yeah, it looks like this up here. These things often, you know, try to do another move towards the upside up here. Let's go 4-hourly time frame. So I would be just selling. Are in trade now? No, not in a trade yet. We're just waiting. We're just looking. Maybe there will be no trade. Funding fees are negative on most coins. Could be another squeeze up. Yeah, it does look like that. Like if I want to short, like it's because of the pullback. But I think, you know, more reliable, more, you know, correct move right now would be to long anything that pulls back. That's what I'm thinking. Anything pulls back, that'd be a long. By the way, DXY, big engulfing can continue down below the support, but it has this divergence on the chart. Just turn off. No. Everything is moving so slowly. The only thing right now that's close to any kind of, you know, any kind of support level, I think it's Flamingo. Maybe Flamingo. Flamingo. I'm short now. Okay. John Douglas. Hey man, how you doing? Anything that's, you know, it is close to the support level, so, you know, bouncing off of here like 50 moving average. How much is this down left? Like 0.86%. If it goes down there like 0.86%, it might be a probable move. Okay, let's check some more coins again. Ooh, KDI is having a pullback though. Let's redo the KDI. Let's go to the weekly time frame up here. Like major levels up here, like if KDI is gonna pump, like it can pump big time. Because stop up here is up there. 20 moving average. So you know, the upside up here for KDI right now is like 14 to 20% up here. It really has this move towards downside. It does look nice. I mean, it does look very nice. It has this, you know, pullback over here. KDA does have it looks nice for another, you know, leg up, and it might be, you know, longable up here. So we're gonna wait to hit this 10-20 moving average maybe, but it did have this. But it had these two big moves up here, so maybe it's gonna, you know, and then break towards the upside. How is this gonna play out? Sitting on the support right now, it's pulled back to 10 moving average up here on the 4-hourly time frame. So we got two major resistance support levels up here, and we got this on the 4-hourly time frame. Same with this one up here. Where is it? Up there. How much is that down more? 1 to 1.3%. I'm gonna risk 20% on this one. Nah, maybe not. Let's see 1 hourly, 30-minute chart. Did it break this towards downside? Yeah, it broke. It can go a little bit lower down, I think. But we're gonna track KDI as well. We're gonna say KDIs are, you know, main squeeze. I like that it has, you know, a lot of upside up here. So, but this looks like bearish mountains. Let's see up here. Divergence up here, no divergence up here. Holding the support levels. Bounced. Good evening, legends. Good evening, Vanilla. How you doing, man? Nakamoto Games, Naka. So I'm thinking. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's nice. So we're gonna be around. Can it pull back more? That's the big question. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna say if it pulls back into the moving averages, because it's been holding these moving averages. Do you see any kind of pattern up here? I don't see any kind of pattern up here. Let's reverse it a little bit up here. It's not very optimistic though. Oh, it is having this expanding, or maybe it's expanding channel. Expanding musical instrument, maybe it's expanding musical instrument. Let's check that out. It's a little bit too big for expanding musical instrument. It's gotta be these, something like this up here, give or take. Let's assume it's expanding musical instrument. That means around, you know, 50, something like that. Let's say if it gets down here. Yeah, let's just track it. I mean, we're gonna track it either way, but we got like 6, 7 Tila. What's the market structure about? I have absolutely no clue, man. What's the market structure? You know who we're gonna ask? Chat GDP. Now we can't. We gotta be logged in. Wait. Chat GPT. I don't know if you guys are using Chat GPT, but you know. We're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight on recurrent scaling systems. ChatGPT is down, guys. You cannot ask ChatGPT. I don't know if you guys are using ChatGPT, but it's better than Google. What is market structure in technical analysis? Market structure is the behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. It highlights support and resistance levels, swing highs and swing lows. A trend is simply a consistent direction of price movement over time. Market structure can tell you if the market is trending or not. Market structure. Market structure is we bottomed out and you know, moving up. It works well as a lawyer even. Timeline for tomorrow. Selling important to buy crypto. I don't know if you guys are using ChatGPT, but yeah. ChatGPT is, you know, it's Google on steroids. You understand that? It can help you with so much. It's so much better than Google. ChatGPT is better than Google. You understand that? I mean, it cannot give you websites yet, you know, but it's better than Google when you need to find, you know, answer to stuff. It's better than Google. It's not ready. 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 Magic's not ready. Phantom not ready. I don't think that it will trade today. It's amazing at in the future. Yeah, insane. So I think we start the stream a little bit, you know, at the wrong point, but you know, there is that. Ethereum Classic. It's just me, or does this thing over here has a, you know, huge bullish divergence? I'm not sure about it. Guys, thanks for stopping by. I don't think there will be a trade today. It just takes too long. I was hoping for some kind of movement on Bitcoin because, you know, the variance and stuff like that, but you know, nothing is happening. We gotta catch it another time. We gotta catch it another time. The move already happened. This looks like it might actually, you know, do another move up. And every time we did the move, we did like, you know, 11% up here. 16% up there. Started with 26, 16, 10%. We might have, you know, another move up here and some Claris up here, you know, 7%. Whatever. This is poised to have a giant crash. I wonder if it will happen. Guys, we just, yeah, I don't know if you followed the latest Bitcoin daily on Monday. I had an apartment that didn't need to be sold, and we just got in bid during the Bitcoin daily, so I'm glad I got rid of my apartment, you know. I don't have to tell you say anything else beside that, but you know, I'm just glad we got rid of the apartment. Slowly to low levels, bottom. I think right now towards summer it might actually pick itself up a little bit. I've seen people are a little bit more optimistic. They're saying this is the bottom for the pullback and stuff like that. So you know, and nothing goes in straight line down, right? It went down a little bit up here. So right now towards summer it might go up a little bit more and then, you know, crash big time. So towards summer I'm thinking it might perform okay. The housing market, because you know the winter is already, you know, a dump when it comes to the, you know, buying and selling houses, but people like to buy during the spring and summer and early fall, but during the winter, you know, there is just no houses being sold during the winter, so it's gonna pick itself up again, I think, during the, you know, spring and the summer, and then after that I think it might, if it's gonna go down, then it's gonna happen after that, I think. Okay, let's see if there is anything moving again. 5 minutes right now. Last 5 minutes. Gala down 5. Flare down. We don't care about flare. Gala down 0.5. 0.5 in the last 5 minutes. Let's see bigger time frame. 15 minutes up here. FTT down minus 1.3. FTT is FTT. What's FTT? Is that FTX? Yeah, it's FTX token. How is this thing alive, guys? How is this thing alive? How is this thing still alive? Yeah, people are just trading it. People are just trading it. I'm not touching this. Nice, George. Short it. SFP on it. What does SFP means? Last hour. What's down the most? Gala is down 1.7%, but didn't Gala just pump like crazy and just pulling back? Nah, I did not. So now it broke the trend. Swing failure. Swing failure pattern on it. Swing failure pattern. When it tries to go up or down and then fails. SFP introduction. Swing failure pattern. There is a liquidity pending above below deep swing points. Price will often trade through that swing point and come back. Pros get the liquidity and traders get trapped. Bullish swing failure. So double bottom, double top. Tries to get a high. Swing failure. I don't get a swing failure. Deep obvious swing point. Price trades below swing low but close above it. Price trades above a swing high but close below it. Buyers will see the tweet on the liquidity pools or accumulating above a deep obvious swing. It seems to me that swing failure patterns are based on, you know, candlestick moves. Eat divergence. Nah, I don't see anything, guys. And this is moving so slow. Everything's moving so slow. It's getting ready. I think it's getting ready for you know, next 4-hourly candle or something like that. But it's not happening right now. It's moving slowly towards targets. But I think we need to wait a long time until we get those targets. Now here, KDA is actually coming very close to the 96 up here. No, it's not. It was above 10 moving average up here. Okay, guys, I think I need a little bit of sleep. I got stuff to do tomorrow. I was hoping there might be something, you know, interesting up here. Thanks for stopping by. We're gonna continue 400 million challenge next time as well. How long do we have left on the 400 million challenge? I don't know. I think we have something like 6 months left, 5-6 months left or something like that. So, you know, we're gonna do it eventually, guys. We're gonna do it eventually. And once the big moves start happening and we catch one of these big moves, it's gonna be like 10x doing, you know, 100% doing 10x at 10x. I mean, the money is gonna be crazy. No problem, you know, we can chill until the next. So I think most coins settled on something, and right now just slowly pulling into targets, getting ready for the next move. But you know, we're not gonna sit and have a, you know, 4-hour stream waiting for the next move. Sand looks like it's coming down to the moving averages up here very nicely. Probably mana as well. Yeah, mana as well also looks very nice. Just going kind of sideways up here. See, 10 moving average up here 2 times already. Let's assume. It's still a little bit too high. Thanks, 3 man. See that place and pump Bitcoin for us. Good evening, Jimmy Stellans. Long time no see. How you doing, man? Okay, guys. Thanks for stopping by. It's been, you know, 1 hour 18 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. You know, maybe there will be a trade tomorrow. Maybe there will be trade tomorrow. You know, right now it just kind of slow. Just kind of slow, and I'm not really confident about anything right now. Like, it's not like, you know, there is something that looks like this needs to pull back more. Like, it might be already in, you know, 50 minutes, half an hour, 4 hours, I don't know. But you know, we are not catching the bottom right there. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Maybe. Bye-bye.